Now, this is how you can resize PDFs on the iPhone. Let me explain it from multiple different angles, and if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So it kind of depends on what you mean by resizing the PDF. If I go to the Files tab, you can see I looked specifically for those files, and if I choose, for example, this one, I'm gonna open it with the Preview app, which is the default one you should also have available on your phone. So I'm going to open it up like this. And if I want to resize it in a sense that I want to crop it, for example, I only want to keep the first part of the PDF, I can use this tool right there, which is kind of like this cropping tool. And let's say that I'm going to grab the bottom edge and only want to keep this part of the PDF. So this is the selected part. I'm going to click on a crop, meaning the rest of the page disappeared. So if that is what you mean by resizing PDFs, then this is actually the way to do it. It's using built-in tools and it always works very well. Now I can click on share and save it back to my Files app or move it somewhere else, whatever. So that would be the first approach. However, if you want to save or resize the PDF in terms of like the size in megabytes and kilobytes to kind of like make it smaller and compress it, then you can use an app for it. From the App Store, you can literally type in compress PDF, and there are going to be some apps which allow you to import PDF, perform a compression, and make it smaller. For example, this one right here, I can open it up like this, and you can see we have the plus button at the bottom. I'm going to choose this PDF, right, and I'm going to start compressing. So it will essentially make it in a smaller size, but with keeping the details, right? So it should hopefully be in a smaller size. And now I have the ability to click on share and save it back to my Files app. So there are more apps, of course, which do the same thing, but the point is that you can essentially import PDFs into some app and perform the compression where it's actually going to become smaller in a size, but you're not losing any details. It's not like you're cropping anything out. You're only making it smaller in a size. As you can see, plenty of different compressors, but definitely give it a try. And for some more advanced editing, you can use apps like PDF Gear, for example, which as well lets you import the PDFs from your Files app, but now you can make some more changes to it, right? So you can see that inside of the PDF Gear, we also have the reduce file size, which is nice. And it's also like a nice way to compress it as well. But you can also perform some edits to it. Like if you open it up and click on edit, you can annotate and, I don't know, crop and add text and edit text, edit images, organize files, and so on. So if you need a little bit more of an editing approach, you can use apps like this. So I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. I'm going to wrap it up and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.